Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Portage la Prairie, Manitoba, a vibrant city with a rich history and a beautiful natural setting. Located in the heart of the province, Portage la Prairie is situated approximately 75 kilometers west of Winnipeg, the capital city of Manitoba. The city is nestled on the banks of the Assiniboine River and is surrounded by some of the most fertile agricultural land in Canada, making it a key hub for farming and food processing. The name Portage la Prairie originates from the French words portage, meaning a path between two bodies of water, and la prairie, meaning the meadow. This name reflects the area's geography, as it was a crucial point for Indigenous peoples and early explorers who used the portage to travel between the Assiniboine River and Lake Manitoba. The city's strategic location made it an important trading post and transportation route in the early days of European settlement. Over the years, Portage la Prairie has evolved into a bustling city with a diverse economy that includes agriculture, manufacturing, and services. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to do in and around Portage la Prairie, from hiking and biking along the river trails to exploring the scenic beauty of the surrounding countryside. The city's parks and green spaces provide ample opportunities for relaxation and recreation, making it a great place for families and nature lovers alike. Whether you're visiting for the first time or have called Portage la Prairie home for years, there's always something to appreciate about this dynamic city. Its rich history, beautiful surroundings, and welcoming community make it a wonderful place to experience the best of Manitoba's prairie charm.